Can Aso Savings save your portfolio? Do you have Aso Savings and Loan in your portfolio? This is one stock, though is old, but they just came up recently. They went back and brought in their old earnings, and as a result, the stock actually took off from a low price. And most people had that stock in their portfolio, and now the portfolio is doing well, and they are getting some good returns. So we're going to look at what they are into, and guys, they have some interesting products, and they have a lot of sold out in their property. As you can see, this one is sold out, this one is for sale. These are some few things we are going to look at, and guess what, we are going to look at all their report also to see which one is actually going to trigger the next run. So without wasting time, my name still remains Investor Joe, and you are welcome to the Financial Edge, where we teach how to gain financial freedom via trade and investment. In case you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified into my post and reaching videos like this. Well, let's quickly move to their earnings, because fundamentals will always lead us to technical analysis. So this is the AGM meetings that they did July 4th, 2025, and they came up with some resolution. But most of the resolution are normal director thing and all that. There is no much one that has the catalyst to trigger the market. So let's quickly jump to the main thing. So this is for September 2024, which is the third quarter. So if you look at the third quarter, they actually made some nice profits. That's why I said this company, they're actually making good money. 230 million naira. That is what they made. And if we look at the second quarter 2024, you can see they didn't make much, but at least it's worth it. 162 million naira for full year, guys. And they also did this for first quarter 2024. They actually went into loss, a loss of 766 million. So if they lost 766 million, and let's quickly jump, that is for Q1 2024. Let's jump to Q2 2024, 162. And let's jump to Q2 34, that's Q3. And if you add these two, this loss actually swallowed everything. So let's look at the full year. Is this the full year? Let's quickly jump. Okay, so this is the full year. Now when we look at the full year, let's see if that actually showed in this area. So you can see for full years they actually had these earnings and all that. Then look at the profit. The profit is supposed to be more than this, but because of that loss that they incur, it actually affected it. So if we jump to 2025, from 2025, this is the last, this is 2025, that's comparing 2024 2025, that is 9 months. So if you do that comparison, you will find out that they are in a loss. You get the point, they are in a loss. This is it, September 2024 to September 2025, they are in a loss. So you say, investor, they are in a loss. So what is causing the pump? Of course, is a trend. They just came, you know, they are the new kid in the block. So a lot of people want to take advantage of it. And it's also good if you want to swing trade. It will actually help your trading. So this is Q2 and this is Q1. So you can see when you add all this, and if you take it to Q3, you find out that they are actually in a loss. You got the point. They are actually in a loss. So which I've showed you. So if they are in a loss, the question is, you can see shareholders fund is still in the negative, guys. So you know, okay, it's those that have my stock for Tornado that will understand what I always say about the shareholders fund. So, and this is the Q3 that we've looked out for, and you can see what they are currently doing. So the question is, can they offset this debt, and what are we going to look out in the market? So let's quickly jump to what they are into. For these, they have a special card. This card, when you use it, is actually free. They call it the ASO card at ASO ATM. So if you use it at ASO ATM, you'll be doing it for free. And you know, for these guys to have ATM, it shows they actually had some good stream of income. Let's quickly jump to the main one that is bringing money. You see, they have the Grand Court Estate Phase 2. This one is located in Lekki, and it costs 75 million naira, and it's still available. While the Amak Lugbe relocation market is selling for 3.25 million, and this price does not include the VAT and fee. And guess what? This is sold out, and the shop B is available. You can see the shop B is available and it's selling for 3.5. The A was actually cheaper and the B is actually expensive. So this one's also the Lugbe Relocation Market Restaurant is also sold out. And the Palms Estate Terrace in Dawaki, Abuja is also sold out. Those of you guys in Abuja, you know this place. You know, we Lagosians, we don't know much of this area. So we have the Amak Market and Suit also sold out. And we have the Shekina Estate opposite Legislative Quarter sold out. We have the Lekki Mills sold out. We have the Life Camp 5-bedroom terrace sold out. So these guys are actually making good sales. And you know, this area is era of real estate because there's a lot of infrastructure going on. There's a lot of expansion going on and a lot of money flowing through the places it's flowing through, because I don't know where they are sending the money. So if you look at 5-bedroom Life Camp also sold out also for Diamond Court Estate Mbora. You know Mbora? I don't know Mbora, but they are selling 3-bedroom flat there for 40 million. And guess what? Sold out. And they have Aso. Okay, they have Aso Meadows Estate. This is at Kuje. This one is selling for 9.75 million. It's actually 2-bedroom flat, and you have 2 bathrooms. So in case you just hit one good returns from any market, you can come and tie your money down here if you want to tie down your money. We have Shekina Green Estate also. Hope I'm not doing marketing for these people because I'm not sure if they are going to reach out to me. So all these ones are sold out, and what we have for sale is the Aso Garden Estate. This one is 33 million, 3-bedroom flat is at Karasana. The Aso Garden Estate also Karasana for sale is available. No, this one is sold out. Then the Aso Garden Estate also 51 that's 5-bedroom flat is also available. So guys, they have all these, and they are into mortgage also. They do a bit of Aso regular account. So they have account, Aso Excel account. They are into e-banking also. They have Aso regular savings account, Aso plus account. They also have Aso mortgage, that is Aso my house account. They have Aso my house account OPA. They have my house account Ruby. They have my house account Black Diamond account. Guys, these guys just bring investment to your table that any which way they are going to collect your money. So they also have Aso Flourish account, and they also have my resident mortgage loan. So this is a loan for the acquisition of a house or property. This could be invariant of single family or multiple family, depending on the type of housing or building the option under residential mortgage loans are. So you can get your mortgage here, and we also have my business mortgage loan also. So these are some key things that you need to pay attention to. This is areas that these guys are bringing money. And if we let's look at that of 2025. Let's look at 2025. Okay, this is 2025. So what I want us to look at is let's look at some of the assets that they have. So you can see investment properties that they have. They have a Foster Estate, Lekki Land, Kasana, Lugbe Land, Takwase 3-bedroom duplex. They have this plot in CBD. They have 150 hectares in Chachi Village, Suleja. I don't know if you know that area. And they have a building in Buhari. They have 5.1 hectares in Abaji. And they have 10 Oguda close property. They have Kaduna Land. They have Sango Tedo. So you can see they have Ozumba Mbadiwe Avenue. They have Trading Place, Central Area. They have Songo, the investment property and stuff. They have investment property, Evergreen. So you can see everything they have in Gusape District Land. They have 3-bedroom flat in Ishula or Onofefe. Onofefe, and they have Park Hill Development account. They have Kubwa Multipurpose Hall project account. So you can see what these guys actually have in their investment property. And they also have Countrywide Housing Company Limited. They have Abuja Leasing Company Limited. You can see these guys have a whole lot of information in terms of investment. I see them doing well if these properties are well managed. And let's quickly jump to the main fact. Let's see what the stock is currently doing. So you see the stock was flat for so many years until when the company decided to actually bring some of the earnings. So from 50 kobo to 1 naira, the stock has done a 100% return. So if you look at the chart right here, I just pull in the Fibonacci 2. So you can see that we have the 38% retracement level, which is also good. And the reason why we had this is because the run was so much. So a lot of bargain hunters, those that actually miss this run, are trying to take advantage of it. And now the stock is around 1 naira. So for me, if I want to buy it personally, I'll be looking at it to come around this area and I will pick it. And those of you who joined my live program, there was a time it came down to this price, which I told you guys to go in, and I'm very, very sure you should be taking your profit now. So that's why I'm not recommending it now to buy. But if you had the time to take a risk, you can buy at 1 naira and plan to sell at 13 naira, which will give you a 10% return. Or you wait for it to pull back to this area, so you go in. So my honest view for Aso Service and Loan is for you to have patience, because the fact that they are working on the company, and I showed you all the results they've been posting from 2024, 2022. That's the last time they posted. Then 2024, 2025, you can see all what they are doing. And the last one I showed you guys, for you to know that these guys, of course, this debt is a bit of concern, but you can see it's still showing here. So I guess at the point they will come up with maybe to raise funds to actually clear it up, and because it's very, very necessary for them to work on it. So it has actually reduced a bit here, but they need to do a lot of work concerning it. So all eyes, I'm still watching, and I'm still looking at how the company is going to do. But you can see fundamentally they need to clear up some issues. You get the point, because nobody will put their money in a company like this. But for traders, for trading sake, you want to take advantage of some pullbacks and then lock in some gains. So you can see what they are into. They have potential, but we need to look at what management is doing to know if management are managing it properly. And this loss we are seeing, they have to work on it. From the look of things, it's not reducing. It's just, most especially, the balance sheet is not balancing, because they are in negative shareholders fund. So they need to work on those areas. So I'll keep an eye, and when it is right time for you to go in long time, I'll come here and share it with you guys. But for now, I think you can trade it. Like I said, if you are doing 1 naira, you want to get out at 113. And if there's any break, I'll come here and share with you to buy the retest, just for TA sake, for trading sake, not because of fundamentals. You get the point. So that is what we will be looking at. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified of my posts and reaching videos like this. Until I come away again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you all, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hands to head salute. See you in the next one.